Hi, welcome to the Hicks Homestead YouTube channel. My name's Wade. Here's a few updates on my off-grid setup for my campsite at my homestead. Campers hanging out there. I got a shipping container in, 9-foot high cube, so that's awesome. So changes to the Pecron power station. I've added a third solar panel, so now I have a total of 1,200 watts there. I've also added 3 more here, so another 1,200 watts there. And of course the 130 watt panel on the top there, it only puts out about 100 watts. And currently, we didn't get any sun today. We're sitting at about 85% state of charge. And batteries are pretty balanced. So check back in for an update in the morning after the snowstorm.